Hi, welcome to the Paige family homestead. Today it's a rescue, a fruit rescue. We have our fruit bowl back there. I suck at doing this and opposite from behind me. Anyway, we do like fruit here, and we eat fruit at least twice a day. Andy sometimes 3 times a day. We buy when it's on sale. I am not ashamed to say I will also run to the reduced section in the produce section and see what I can get. First off, to see if I can salvage anything for dehydrating to keep in my dehydrating pantry. Secondly, is there something in here that we can enjoy like today? Because I mean, sometimes mangoes aren't on. They're not ripe when you buy them. Sometimes you need them today. That's where you go to get the ripe ones. What we got is last week Andy bought 2. They were on sale, so he bought 2 packages of plums. And we've eaten 1. Man was not meant to eat 2. Not in the same week, if you know what I mean. So I've washed them. This is so easy, guys. Now, these are going to make kind of like a prune. And look how easy they come off the pit. Just slice it. Now, typically people will put them on their dehydrating trays that way. I'm here to make my life go a little quicker. I'm going to help the fruit. If you've done grapes or seen our grape video, I've cut those in half too to make my raisins, and they were good. And they went quicker because I cut them. So it took me a little time to cut them. Oh well. So we're just going to slice into these beautiful plums. I did wash them with a couple spoons of vinegar just to make sure, because I don't know that these are organic. Probably not, I'm being honest. And I don't know what's on it, so I did wash them very well before coming to this point, or eating them. You know, make sure you wash your fruit very well. So what am I going to do with these? Well, I'm going to save our marriage for one and not let Andy eat the second basket in the same week. And once I have these done, they're going to be like prunes, but they're not. They're not like prunes. If you've done the grapes and turned them to raisins. Okay, see here the little bum line? Yeah, I said bum line. That's where you cut it. And twist. Done. The grapes are then raisins, right? But they are, by far, the best raisins you will ever eat in your life. Same with this. They're prunes, but they're not prunes. I'm going to be using them for a lot of things like coffee cakes, muffins, stuff like that. Anything in my baking that I wanted to put some fruit in, and I'll have it on hand from our dehydrating stock, because I made sure that I had something that I bought on sale. And if I notice, okay, we're not eating these, don't let them go bad, guys. Cut them up. Dehydrate them. Eat them later, right? So I'm just going to go ahead. You can see I'm spacing them. It doesn't really matter. I've got a lot of other things on the go in my dehydrator too right now. Now, fruit is $1.35. So I'm trying to keep my dehydrator filled on Fruit Salvation Day, Fruit Rescue Day, with fruit, so that I can keep everything at the same temperature. Vegetables, they recommend 125. I do have some vegetables that I want to bring in to show you, but I'm not going to do that until these are done. So I got some apples in there, and I've got my plums going in. It's going to be so good. I've never done these in the Cabela. I'm really enjoying getting to know my Cabela. I haven't done a full product review on it yet, I did a little one when I opened it, an unboxing. I plan on doing a really intense product review as well. So that's as full as I'm gonna put this one because I have the room, so why not use it, right? I got another tray ready underneath. I've got another tray already going on in there. I wasn't gonna bring yous in. I thought, why wouldn't I? Silly not to. And it's all gonna be a part of the hashtag Let's Dehydrate playlist that our channel hosts for, oh gosh, many, over 18 channels. So if you dehydrate and you're a content creator and you would like to show what you're dehydrating or how you're dehydrating it, please give us a message. Put hashtag Let's Dehydrate in the description of your video as well as tagged so it's easier for me to find. It doesn't have to be in the title, guys. The title's yours. Get your SEOs going on your titles. But make sure you support the playlist that you're putting your videos in, right? Let me know, message me either in a dehydrating video or on Messenger or email and let me know that you have a video to go up into the playlist and I'll put it in there happily. I don't know right offhand, I never do, how many videos are in there right now, but I will look before the close of this video and let you know. So please let me know if you'd like to join us at hashtag Let's Dehydrate. It's a great place for the viewers to go. So if you're a viewer, get over there and have a look. There's everything you can imagine being dehydrated and showing us how to do it. This one was like, ooh, ripe, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get it done. It's not over, it's not rotted. Never dehydrate food that's been gone bad. If it's gone bad, it's gone bad, right? You don't wanna save bad fruit. It's just really ripe. If I wouldn't have got to this when I did, I would have had to throw them out. And what a waste that would have been, right? What a waste. So I'm gonna get all these put on. I've already let you know I'm gonna be doing it at 135. This one's got a stubborn pit. And I will let you know when they're in there how long it's gonna take. It's gonna take a long time. I know when the Nescos, it took a long time. But to be fair, I didn't quarter them either. I only halved them. I learned the hard way. So, almost done. We'll bring you back when we're at the Cabela. Okay, so we know it's fruit. It's going to 135. I want it 10 hours. I'll check it at 10 hours. Might as well, oops, 10. Turn this to 0. Hello, Sook. Shut the door. She's going. So I'll check it back in 10 hours because I know it's not doing anything before then of interest. Hi guys. So it's just finished its cool down. I was busy doing something. It's been in for 16 hours. At 10 hours I stuck it back on for 6 so it would carry on through the night. And you can see they are so not done. Look at that. And there's still a lot of liquid in there. They're getting there, but they're not done. So today's video might be tomorrow's. Okay, so it's been a long time. 22, did I say? 22, 23 hours. Last time I did it, I just did them in half. And it took forever on the Nesco. And so I thought, I'll cut them in quarters. It'll be really quick because it's also in the Cabela. Because this is quicker. No, next time, because I don't need them to be beautiful. Because I'm gonna cut these up on a cutting board with a knife when I want to use them for muffins and my cakes and morning glory muffins. Put some of these in there.
Ooh, morning glory muffins.
No, we haven't made those for. Actually, I made them once about oh God, 30 years ago, and then I lost that recipe and it just went out of my brain. Deb's Way, you got to go see her. I'll put the little name thingy up here, and I'll give you the instructions for the URL to go visit her. She's a wonderful woman. Her and her husband William, they live in Florida. Love that girl. She does some really nice videos. She has wild chickens and wild roosters that they're like killer ones because she won't get out of her car. But they're so cool. And she does a lot of shopping excursions and stuff. Go visit my friend. She needs watch times, guys. Hit her playlists up. Let's help her out. She helps everybody. Back to these. They look like, oh gosh, you're burnt. No, that's the skin. The colors intensify. The liquid's been removed. All that remains is, of course, with fruit, sugar. So there is a snap, but they're still a little pliable, like a leather. They're not. It's not moisture. It's just sugars. So you're not going to get it completely out. But I am going to cut them a lot thinner the next time I do it, because 22, 23 hours. I mean, I didn't do anything. It did. I didn't have to do anything. It's just I have other things I want to do, and I'm not a patient person, and I needed a different tip, so I wanted them done. I'm going to slice them up a little smaller, even though, right, but they rehydrate very well. And oh, I hear the snap, but it's still pliable, if that makes sense. I think the skin is snapping more than, but oh man. So this was, how big, what size was that?
Just about a pound.
No, it was more than a pound.
No, I don't think so. Well, maybe.
Yeah. It was. It was that big. Look at that. And if we're going out today, it's pension day, so that means we're the pensioners running out to the stores on pension day. But if they're still on sale, I'm gonna actually get some more. Aren't they pretty? Now, these have been conditioned already. I did have them sitting out to absorb any moisture that's in the air, in our atmosphere here in our home. And if they did, then I would have put them back in to finish them off, right? But they're conditioned. They're fine. Because they've been conditioned, I left them out for, I think, 4 hours. So they're fine. I'm just going to, for the rest of the day, leave them with the lid open like that. Again, check them at the end of the day, and if they're good, they're going on my shelf, which will be soon my dehydrated pantry shelves here in the kitchen, so that all my canning stuff can stay over there in the other room. Right, Andy?
Yes, that's right, Peggy.
Oh, the playlist. I went and looked. There's 198 videos in the hashtag Let's Dehydrate playlist. And it's being viewed 1,693 times. A lot of those times, people in the community that want to help another channel, or all the channels that are in that playlist in the community, they'll play it. Because it isn't going just, oh, the Paige Family Homestead's getting all those watch hours. No. Anybody who's put their video in there is getting their watch hours when the videos play. So it is a nice way to help us, and we appreciate it when you do. We really do. Views took a big hit. So if we can get some views on that playlist, we would appreciate it, because it also helps every single channel that has contributed to that playlist, which is why we do them, right? To help each other. And the viewers, oh, wait till you see. And okay, well, I wanted to do potatoes, but somebody's already done it. So what? So what? Do they have your charm? Do they have your style? Do they have your dehydrator? Do they have your methods? Show everybody everything you got. It's fun. I actually put them up on the wall quite a bit. So I invite you all to check it out, viewer and content creator alike. These are amazing. Thumbnail picture, are you getting it, Andy?
Sorry.
Don't drop the thumbnail. But really, we're going to enjoy these. And I can hydrate them and put them in, I don't know, our breakfast yogurt too. Right?
Yeah.
So, like the video, please support us with a thumbs up, comment below, and please do subscribe. See you tomorrow.